Welcome to this video. We'll take a closer look at how to request a new SAP user and business roles in Xiting Central Workflows, also known as XCW. In XCW, business roles act as containers and include PFCG roles from various systems. For example, this ensures that users have the same authorizations in both test and production environments. It's also possible to create job-specific business roles that combine authorizations from different SAP systems and clients. So let's get started. First, open the XCW user creation and business role assignment request via your Fiori Launchpad. There are several options to add data for a new SAP user by uploading a CSV file, entering the details manually, or using an LDAP search. The LDAP search is configured in customizing and pulls information directly via LDAP, for example from Active Directory. Let's take a quick look at how that works. I click Search via LDAP and use a wildcard to search for a user. In our demo system, that's no problem since there are only a few users. Then I select an identity, and the data is automatically filled into the request form. Of course, I can still adjust the details if needed. All visible fields come from customizing. Next, let's select a business role. The systems where the user will be created are filled in automatically, based on that role. By clicking Assign, we can add new business roles. In the Business Role Assignment wizard, I choose the user and search for the right role. I can also set a validity period if necessary. At the end, the selected business roles are shown in a short summary. Click Finish to return to the main request form, and there we can see all systems and business roles that will be requested for the user. Before sending the request, we can attach additional information for the approver and add a short comment. This helps the approver make a clear and quick decision. Keep the comment short and precise. When everything looks good, I click Send Request. That's it. I'll be notified as soon as the approvers have made their decision. Approvers receive an email notification whenever a new request is waiting. Depending on the configuration, the user creation might even be approval-free. In that case, the business role owner decides directly. If risk analysis is active and a risk is detected, the risk owner must also approve the request. Finally, let's look at a quick example of an approval. In the work list, all open requests are listed. Selecting an open approval opens a detailed view with all relevant information, including any attachments. The approver can approve, reject, or approve only certain business roles. Any roles not approved are automatically rejected. Once the decision is made, the roles are provisioned automatically, and the requester receives a confirmation email. Thank you for watching. Would you like to find out more about Xiting Central Workflows? Check out our video channel on our homepage or feel free to contact us. We will get back to you as soon as possible.